Live-in relationships, it's back in the news, and it's all because the Uttarakhand government recently released a draft of its Uniform Civil Code, or the UCC bill.
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, मैं आपकी अनुज्ञा से समान नागरिक संहिता उत्तराखंड विधेयक 2024 को प्रस्थापित करने हेतु सदन की अनुज्ञा चाहता हूँ। माननीय जी,
If it's enacted, the UCC bill would see one law being made applicable to all religious communities in matters of marriage, divorce, adoption, and inheritance, subject to certain personal customary laws. One of the more interesting aspects of this UCC bill is that it makes it compulsory to register live in relationships. The bill defines a live in relationship as a relationship between a man and a woman who live together in a household in the nature of a marriage. The bill makes it obligatory for those in a live in relationship within the state, regardless of whether or not they reside in the state, to submit a statement of live in relationship to the jurisdictional registrar. Once the statement is received, the registrar then conducts an inquiry and within a period of 30 days takes a decision on whether or not to register the relationship. Certain types of relationships will not be registered. These are cases where one or both of the parties are minors, one or both of the parties are married to other people or in live in relationships with somebody else, if the parties are within prohibited degrees, or if the consent of one of the parties was obtained through force or fraud. These statements of live in relationships will be forwarded to the officer in charge of the local police station. And the bill says that this is just for the pure purpose of keeping records. Interestingly, Section 4 of the UCC bill says that a woman above the age of 18 years can get married. However, Section 385 of the bill says that if one or both of the parties in a live in relationship is under the age of 21 years, then the registrar has to inform the local police station as well as the parents and guardians of these two parties. Now, what happens if you don't comply with these rules? Could you be sent to jail? The short answer is yes. If you fail to submit a statement of live in relationship within 1 month of beginning to live together, then you'll be served with a notice, criminal prosecution can be initiated, and you could be sent to jail for a period of up to 3 months, or you could be made to pay a fine of rupees 10,000, or both. If you fail to submit a statement even after you're served a notice by the registrar, then you could be sent to jail for a period of up to 6 months or be made to pay a fine of rupees 25,000 or both. Now, if either of the parties submits a false statement, then you could be made to pay a fine of rupees 25,000 or be sent to prison for a period of up to 3 months or both. There are a few other very important aspects to the live in relationship aspect of the bill. It provides for the payment of maintenance to women who are deserted by their live in partners. It also stipulates that children born out of a live in relationship shall be considered legitimate. For more on the bill and other legal updates, check out our website and stay tuned to Bar and Bench.